Hello, welcome back, boys and girls. Today's story is called Wally and the Sweet Mountain Candy Factory, written by Meghan Christensen, illustrated by Paddy Mera. Now, let's take a dive into this remarkable book and see what happens when Wally visits the candy factory. Now, this is an interactive book, so we're going to be answering some questions as we read along. Now, let's get started.
Hello.
Meet Wally. Now, Wally has super cool hair, big dreams, and he loves candy. Now, what is your favorite candy? Wally combs his hair the same way every single day. But today, it has to be perfect. Today, his biggest dream is about to come true. Now, what is a dream of yours? Wally has always dreamed of becoming a candy maker, just like his dad's dad, and his dad's dad. Now, what do you want to be when you grow up? Now, remember, boys and girls, a family tree is a drawing that shows all the people in your family. Do you know who is in your family tree? And today, it's Wally's turn to carry on his family's tradition and become part of their legacy. It is his first day of work at his family's Sweet Mountain Candy Factory. Now, what is a tradition in your family? Now, remember, boys and girls, a tradition is something that has been done over and over again for a very long time. And Wally eats his breakfast. He does his secret handshake with his sister, and after strapping on his skis, he's finally on his way.
Bye-bye.
Good luck, Wally! Go, Wally! You're awesome! Today's your day! Now, Wally arrives at the factory. He takes a deep breath, wiggles his jitters out, and with a pep in his step, he flings open the factory doors. Wally's grandpa is there, waiting for him with a big grin. Hi, Wally! And a brand new uniform. One candy making hat and two candy hammers. And when Wally arrives at his station, he is so excited. He feels like his bones are dancing and he is ready. Now, before Wally's turn, some important candy making steps have to be done. Step 1. Mix the candy ingredients. Now, this is Peter's job. Peter mixes the ingredients: sugar, syrup, water, flavor, and color. Now, the candy has to be mixed and mixed and mixed some more until it is just right. And after all the ingredients are mixed, it is time for step 2. Shape the candy. And in the front of the line are Max and Tig. And their job is to stretch and stretch and stretch the candy. Howie's next. And Howie's job is to roll and roll and roll the candy. And then it is Simmy's turn. And Simmy's job is to sprinkle and sprinkle and sprinkle onto the candy. And after the stretching, rolling, and sprinkling, it's time for step 3. Bake the candy. Now this is done by Raz. Raz carefully puts the candy into the oven and then he sets the timer. Now boys and girls, what food do you help make in your kitchen at home? Wally's next. Wally's job is the best job of all. It is exciting, it is fun, and it is silly. Now Wally's job is step 4. Hammer the candy into tiny little pieces. Huh? Now when Wally hears a loud ding, the candy is ready to hammer, hammer, hammer. Now, boys and girls, do you remember the names of Wally's friends? And after Wally's job is finished, it is time for step 5. Package and mail the candy for you to eat. Now, the factory is everything that Wally dreamed it would be. He is feeling so good until no! The candy is racing down the belt way too fast and everything is out of control. And then faster, it's racing faster. Wally and his friends can hardly keep up. Why is the conveyor belt going so fast? So Wally stretches his tired arms and goes to investigate. He's going to solve the problem himself. Now, boys and girls, why do you think the conveyor belt is going so fast? Let's take a look. And behind one of the machines, Wally finds his little brother. Now, Benji is hanging by his underwear on the speed switch. And he is covered with sticky, gooey candy. Benji got caught on the switch while trying to sneak candy. Now Wally is not happy. This is his big day at the factory, and Benji is ruining it. Wally wants to yell at Benji, but then he remembers dreaming about sneaking inside the factory before it was his turn too. Sweet Mountain is an awesome place. So Wally knows that he needs to help Benji down. But how? How will I help him? Now, if you were Wally, how would you help Benji down? Now, this looks like an impossible task. So Wally realizes that he cannot do it alone. He needs help. And finally, 3 cheers for teamwork. Hip, hip, hooray! Benji is rescued and everyone works together to help clean up the mess. And high fives are given all around. And Grandpa gives Wally and Benji a great big hug. He's happy his grandsons love the factory like he does. And Wally and Benji go home together, hand in hand. And Wally wonders what will happen tomorrow. The end. What a wonderful, wonderful story. Seems like a great adventure. Thank you so much for joining us again for this wonderful story time, boys and girls. I hope you were able to answer some of the questions. And we thank you for being here. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'll see you soon.